Oi, mate. Oi, mate. Oi, mate. Oi, mate. Oi, mate. There's his mate down there. See how good he likes a bit of Iggy Pop, Lust for Life. Do you like Iggy Pop, mate? Mate, what do you think of Iggy Pop? 24 million views, mate. What do you think of Iggy Pop's Lust for Life? It's a pretty popular old song. Let's see if he boogies to it. Come on, mate. Let's see you boogie to Iggy Pop. Maybe you can't hear it. Can you hear that? Let's see you do a boogie. Come on, dance to Iggy. Oh yeah, there's a bit of an Iggy dance. Come over here. Come here, mate. Wait. See if the music affects him. In birdies, I'm worth $1 million in bird seed. I'm sick of sitting on the patio. I want some food. Look here, you gotta show us how tame you really are. Screechy. Give us a screech. Give us a screech. You're beautiful, aren't you? You're beautiful. Look at this one having a drink. Drinky time. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. He's at me. I'm only about 30 centimetres from him. Big bird, aren't you, on the screen? Filling the whole screen. Come on, mate. Oh, he's off for a drink. He's feeling a bit intimidated. He wants a backup. It's 2-on-1. 2 of you against 1 of me. You birds got the advantage. Aren't they beautiful? Yeah, see, they trust me enough that they're playing chat with each other, having a good scratch. Well, I'm right here. Right here, right now. Your lust for life. I'm sick of sitting on the bird bath. I'm sick of drinking this crappy old water. Nah, it's good water. We filled it up at least a week ago. It's grand. It'll be grand, as the Irish say. It'll be grand. I'll give it an empty and I'll put some fresh. Oh, you got a bit nasty there, mate. You've been nasty to your buddy for. You know you're on camera. That's it, isn't it? You know you're on camera. Whee, whee. How good. How good are the birdies? Tweet, 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 tweet. Off you go. Come on, mate.